I am a startup. When should I hire my first developer relations person?
Um, I want to say it depends, um, primarily because it depends on, like, when you say you're a startup, if you're, if you don't have a product yet, you don't need a DevRel person. You need a product marketing person that's really going to help you shape your message and going to help you understand where get that product market fit. That's not something that DevRel is really going to be able to help you with. You've got to have like that. I see more companies should be spending their first hire outside of engineering in a product marketing set. Plus, when you're, early stage, a lot of things, especially with engineering teams and such, you're already kind of in the community. You probably have a forum that you kicked off to kind of get your beta users and such. And so you're already kind of doing some of the base of that because you're small, you're agile enough, or hopefully agile enough that you can make some changes and you can have a smaller team. So your engineering teams, your CTO, your CEO are already doing a lot of um, the outreach type of things and doing a lot of the feedback and a lot of probably doing some writing, and they're doing, maybe even they're giving some talk. But as you start to grow and get past that and start to understand, okay, here's our product market fit, then you can start to look at bringing a developer relations type of person on. But too many companies get told especially by their VCs, that, oh, you need to go hire that your first non-engineering hire needs to be DevRel. And time again, those dev advocates, I've had many of them have been close friends or still are close friends. They get burnt out because they're asked to do the product market fit set. They're asked to do all of the marketing, all of the content, all of the um, building out the marketing flow, plus do the talks, plus do the sample applications, plus do the documentation. There, too many things get thrown on a one person that is primarily uh, should be tasked with working with the developers directly to get them to grow their adoption, not to do all of the other things. And so they then hurt themselves. Those people get laid off, and then they go and find somebody else that's willing to do it, until they've grown enough that they can finally hire the right organization. So yeah, I'd say it really depends, but most of the time, my answer is going to be no. Do not hire a DevRel as your first non-engineering hire. It should be a product marketing specialist.
Agree, completely agree.